Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rise of Nations Roblox Beginner Full Guide. Begin by creating a nation and immediately assign your capital, scout nearby regions, and secure resource tiles. Focus on building a steady economy, training a small defensive army, and researching basic techs. Prioritize food and industry, upgrade infrastructure when affordable, and avoid early wars until you have steady income and a few allies ready to help you expand safely. Start by balancing resource collection and building income sources like markets and farms to keep steady growth. Trade strategically with neighbors for income or resource swaps, and always keep reserves for emergency recruitment. Invest in infrastructure that boosts production and reduces upkeep, and check province yields each turn to reassign citizens efficiently. Avoid high taxes that cause unrest, and use small, consistent upgrades rather than large, risky gambles to secure long-term stability. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more beginner videos and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean ride during long sessions. It pairs nicely with focused gameplay and road trip listening. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can try it yourself. Now let's get back to the video. When planning military moves, build a compact defensive army first and add specialized units like artillery when you can afford them. Use terrain advantages, movement speed, and allied support to win key engagements while minimizing losses. Expand toward rich resource provinces to sustain recruitment and tech research, and avoid overstretching supply lines or provoking multiple neighbors. Small, calculated wars and smart diplomacy keep your nation growing without costly setbacks or revolts disrupting your plans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.